In this video, I'll show you how to monitor Activity View in ClickUp. Activity View in ClickUp helps you see what has been happening across your tasks, projects, and workspace. It is useful when you want to track updates, review changes, check team progress, or understand who did what and when. First, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. Then go to the space, folder, list, or task where you want to monitor activity. Activity can usually be viewed at different levels, depending on how broad or specific you want your tracking to be. If you want to monitor activity for one task, open that task and look for the Activity or Comments section. Here, you can usually see updates such as status changes, new comments, edited fields, changed due dates, attachments, assignments, and completed subtasks. If you want a wider overview, go to a list, folder, or space, and look for Activity View or Add it as a view. This lets you see recent actions across multiple tasks in one place, instead of opening each task one by one. Next, use filters to narrow down the activity feed. You may be able to filter by person, task, date, status changes, comments, or other update types. This is helpful when you only want to see updates from a specific team member or recent changes from a certain project. As you review the activity, pay attention to important updates like missed deadlines, reassigned tasks, changed priorities, or repeated status changes. These can help you spot blockers early and follow up with the right person. For team workflows, Activity View is also useful during daily or weekly check-ins. Instead of asking everyone for manual updates, you can quickly review recent progress and identify what needs attention. To get the best results, encourage your team to update tasks properly, leave clear comments, and change statuses as work moves forward. Monitoring activity. View regularly helps you stay informed, keep projects transparent, and manage work with more confidence. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.